Hello guys, we just arrived to Viborg because we have some meetings here, some business meetings regarding us leaving the country properly and getting everything out with some authority people. That is around 3.5 hours from our home city. It was a pretty long drive. Now we're gonna take a walk.
Right now we are looking for a spot to grab something to eat, and I hope there's one nice burger somewhere.
Right now we are on our 6th day of a 100-day journey before we leave this country. And if you want us to make any kinds of videos or answer some questions, just make sure to DM us or leave them down below, and we will answer everything or make any kind of video that you want, except for one question, and that's the destination for where we're moving to, because you'll know that by day 100. Alright guys, we just came back from the spa and about to go to bed now. We hope that you like this video. It's a little bit different than our other videos. If you want to see some special video, comment down below. If you have any questions, remember also to comment down below. And the most important of everything is remember to follow us, because
This is day 6.
Out of 100.